Hi friends, I thought I would vlog today. It's already 12 p.m. It's a Friday. James is downstairs watching a show. He has an hour break for lunch before he is back to his virtual learning. I just put Norma down, so I'm trying to be a little quiet. And then I'm going to do some YouTube work. Do you know what I just noticed though? Norma is still nursing. She is 21 months tomorrow, Sunday. She's 21 months. And I've noticed that she isn't really nursing in the morning anymore. So she is slowing down. She got up at 5:30 this morning and nursed quick and went back to bed. But then she didn't nurse again until just before I put her down for a nap. So I don't know. I thought that was interesting. But I need to film, well, my plan is to film 2 planning videos. I'm doing 2 planners this year, one for my life, personal life, and one for my YouTube, Instagram, Young Living. Now I wrote a book. Sometimes I feel like I really need to niche down and focus, but it's too hard. I'm too passionate. But anyways, I used to have, oh, it's not here. I had a plum paper planner last year for everything, and I decided to take a little break. So I got, for my YouTube and other stuff, I got a happy planner this year. This is my first happy planner. So the good thing about this is they're cheap, and you can even buy them from Michael's. I think that's the main store that carries them. You can buy them online or from Michael's, so it's nice. You can just go in and pick it out. I've never gotten one of these before because I think they feel cheap, which they are, so whatever. I do not like these. I think these are ugly, these rings. But on the inside, it looks much like a plum paper Erin Condren. But definitely you can tell the quality isn't as good. So there are 3 boxes from each day. There are different layouts you can get, but I think I'm gonna do like YouTube, Instagram, and then I think I'm gonna split one into 2 with some washi and have like Young Living for one, and then writing. If you missed it, I wrote a first draft of a novel, and I'm taking December off from it, and then in January I want to start editing it. So that is my plan. But a really cool thing about happy planners, I was poo-pooing on them, but they are really cool, and this is why they have the ugly rings. These come out. So if you're like a big decorator, which I'm not, but if you love to decorate, sometimes it's easier to do that on pages if you rip them out and then do that. And the other even cooler thing in my opinion is you can buy a puncher that will make this special hole, so you can print out your own stuff, punch it, and then easily add it into this planner, which I think is so cool. So I might do that for like some budget stuff or goals with the channel, Instagram, books. And then I'm gonna make a whole video about this, Abby. So I also bought this. So this is already punched and it's nice paper. This is their social media packet. So that is awesome. And then I bought just a pretty blank page. It says follow your heart. I don't know if that's gonna show, but see, it has the special binding. So I might put one of these in front of each month or after each month for notes and brainstorming, because this is like basic. I think the only thing it really has is a note page before each month, so you can like brainstorm. There are really pretty pages on the tabbed months. I think it'd be cool to like put a piece of paper with some washi and do something on these pages. I like this design. Here's October. So that's my plan for like the business. And then I got an Erin Condren, but different than this, like a cheaper Erin Condren for my personal stuff, like cleaning and appointments and life and all that stuff. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Hi. So, actually Erin Condren, careful, Erin Condren is delivering today. I wanted to film them both together, But I don't know if I need to wait. I can't find my tripod. Usually when I do planning videos, I have my big tripod and I like flip through and the camera's looking right down on it. I looked for like an hour yesterday. I gave up. So I think I'm just gonna like sit in the front of the camera and do this, and then I'll do like close-ups, B-roll to put in there. So I don't really have to wait for the Erin Condren, but it is easier to just set up once and do them both. We'll see. Like I said, Norma just went down. I'm gonna let her settle into her nap because I film kind of close to her and I would be really upset with myself if I woke her up. She is a light sleeper. So that's the plan. James has to go back to school in 45 minutes-ish. And then that's his last meeting of the day, but he has like 4 assignments that he'll need to do. After that, I'm going to, yeah, okay, that's enough for now. Okay, here's James's messy room. I might do a whole video on this. Let me know if it would be helpful. It's hard to see. So it's Monday through Friday, and then 3 notepads on each day. So we're on Friday. The first one is like chores. Second one is school stuff, and then the third one is behavior. So he's already earned some stickers today. I gotta fill those out. I think each sticker is worth 5 cents. And then we just have a calendar down here, and over here is his daily schedule. I think this is just the first week of 100% online learning, but it's worked really well so far. These pink ones talk about how to get a sticker in each category. Okay, I filmed one of the planning videos. I'm making a really quick lunch. So this is just kale with Italian dressing. If I wasn't trying to be quick, we have like onions, carrots, celery, but I just want to get this made so I can enjoy it. This is a can of tuna fish and some mayo. And I'm just gonna mix that up and eat it. And then I took this out of the freezer, some pork loin. We'll either grill or bake that for dinner tonight. Oh, my house is a mess. I just am covering up my library. I am reading my very first Stephen King novel. I posted about that on Instagram this morning. I am loving it. I don't know, I was really snotty about Stephen King and thought I would hate it, and I don't. It is huge. It's 1,000 pages. So I'm about 200 in. I'm going to get James settled in to his afternoon meeting, and hopefully I can get maybe 10 pages read before Norma wakes up. Here's my salad. Right after that last clip, I hear her waking up. She is such a light sleeper, and she doesn't nap much anymore. She either skips it altogether or will only go an hour. It's been about 45 minutes since I put her down. So she's not crying, she's just chatting. I am praying she lays back down because I can never get anything done. But this is life of a toddler. That'll wake her up for good. It is the next day, Saturday. I spoke way too soon yesterday about how amazing distance learning has gone. We hit a big roadblock and yeah, lots of arguments. He does not like to write. He does not like to journal. So I finally gave up, which is one of my tips. You can't be perfect. So yeah, and then Norma was crazy last night. Phil didn't get home till 8:30 from work. So it was kind of a crazy night with me doing dinner duty on my own, putting Norma to bed. It was kind of nuts. But today is a new day. So I promised James that we could decorate a little bit more for Christmas today. And also, if you're new to my channel, when Norma was a little infant, we had a snoo, which is so amazing. I definitely recommend it. It's what newborns sleep in, and it's amazing. And it's expensive, so I've been trying to rent it out to other families, and we're gonna go pick up from our second family who's rented it. Their little baby has grown out of it. He transferred to the crib, and I'm happy to report his transfer went really well, as did Norma's. And so we're gonna go pick it up. I don't have a family yet for now, so I need to like post it. If you are local in Minnesota and have a newborn or know someone, message me. It will save your life, for real. I'm so sad Norma can't sleep in it still. So that is our plan. I'm trying to stay positive. I'm still a little shaken from yesterday night, to be honest. It was a doozy. Also, this is like the worst thing ever to see. My planner, my Erin Condren planner, was supposed to deliver Thursday. Then I woke up Thursday morning and it changed to Friday. So yesterday I filmed my other planning video. Luckily I didn't wait for this one to arrive, and I waited all day and it still said it was on track. It would get here till 8 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock rolled on by, and now it just says nothing, like it's lost. I don't know. But I'm hoping it comes today, but I think if it was gonna come today, it would say so. I think it's kind of lost. So that is the worst thing to happen. I hate when that happens. So sad. Hey friends, we just got back from picking up the snoo. Do you see that little elf in there? That is where he hid today. Norma was so scared of it at first, but it's been fun. I don't think we had an elf when James was her age, and she doesn't understand Santa, and she's probably not even gonna sit on Santa's lap this year because of COVID, but she is getting that. So every morning she kind of goes to where he was the last day and goes like this and then tries to find him. So it's cute, except I hate the elf a lot, but that's making me a little less Scroogey about it. But we are home. Another thing to complain about, not really, but kind of, Phil had a package from FedEx that was supposed to deliver Thursday as well, and it got pushed to Friday yesterday, and then it went into the same lost status that mine did. So we figured our packages were on the same truck, but his got delivered today and mine didn't. So I'm a little jealous, but that's okay. I'm gonna make egg noodles. I made egg noodles for the first time for Thanksgiving leftovers for turkey noodle soup, and it was so easy and so good. So I'm gonna do it again, and we're just gonna eat them plain in some like either chicken broth or beef broth. I'm not sure what we'll do yet, but they're so good and so easy. So let's get started. Okay, so remember, this is the second time I've done this, but it's just 2.5 cups of flour. I will link a recipe below that I found. So here is 2. And we need a half C and 2 eggs. Oh, my timer's going off. Thank you to our backyard chickens for these eggs. 1. Then all you do is stir it up. I might at the end, oh, I got an eggshell in there. Okay, so I'm gonna fish this out, stir it up, and at the end I might, there we go, coat my hands with some flour and use my hands to stir it. Oh, we need salt too. Oh yeah, and then if you need more liquid, you put in a tablespoon of water. But she said really give it a good try first because it just takes a while to get all the flour incorporated into the eggs. I am doing this all kinds of wrong. I think I'm gonna flour this surface. I think last time I made one of those fancy mounds with the flour right on the counter and then broke the yolks right in the middle. But I guess, I don't know how much it matters. Okay, I'm gonna need this. This might not work. Okay, so here are all the lovely noodles. They do plump up a little bit. I have a hard time rolling them out thin enough, but I like them thick, so I'm not too worried about it. Over here, I have some beef stock boiling, so I'm just gonna put the egg noodles in here and cook them probably 15 minutes, and then they'll be done. I just had a bite and it is so good. I can't even explain it. So Phil is gonna work late again tonight. The kids and I are gonna have our little egg noodles. Norma is obsessed with them. I'm just gonna put some of the noodles right on her tray. There's the timer again. And then I think I'm going to put on a Christmas movie and hang out with the kids. I'm probably gonna half watch the movie, half read the book. If you made it this far, let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite Christmas movie? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Take care.